Sunyani, District Court A. It's a land case mid-trial. On one side stands Raphael Cubagee, a man with no lawyer speaking for himself. On the other side, three defendants: Michael Yeboah Asare, K. Gyasi Company Limited, and the Assembly of God Church. Cubagee reaches into his case and pulls out something the court hasn't seen yet: a recording. It's a phone call between himself and a man named John Felix Yeboah, a superintendent minister speaking on the church's behalf. Cubagee claims the minister admitted things on that call, the kind of admissions that could settle this entire land dispute in his favor. He turns to the magistrate and asks for permission to play it. Defense counsel is on his feet before the tape even starts to spin. His objection is simple. Reverend Yeboah didn't know he was being recorded. He never agreed to it. And Article 18.2 of the Constitution protects every citizen's privacy of communication.
Objection, Your Honor. This breaches Yeboah's constitutional right to privacy under Article 18.2.
Order.
Play this tape, counsel argues, and this court is using evidence obtained by breaking the highest law in the land. Now, before ruling on the objection, the magistrate does something that will matter deeply later. He orders the recording played, out loud, in open court for everyone present to hear. He establishes two facts. First, the recording is genuine, and it directly touches on the land in dispute. Second, Yeboah never consented to it. Suddenly, his worship Jojo Amoa Hagan is facing a problem Ghana's Evidence Act wasn't written to answer cleanly. Is a secret recording made by one party to a private phone call a constitutional violation? And if it is, does that mean the tape must be thrown out, even though it's completely relevant? Magistrate Hagan doesn't guess. He digs in. He reads through American, Canadian, and British jurisprudence on rights violations, Mapp versus Ohio, Miranda versus Arizona, R versus Herbert, INS versus Lopez Mendoza. Then, instead of ruling, he does what Article 132 of the Constitution demands when a case turns on interpreting the fundamental law itself. He stays the trial. He freezes the case. And he sends the question straight up to the Supreme Court of Ghana.